Understanding hypersonic technology. To understand why DFR-T is so important, we must first understand hypersonic technology. Hypersonic speed is defined as Mach 5 or higher, meaning 5 times the speed of sound. At this speed, a missile can travel thousands of kilometers in a very short time. What makes hypersonic missiles revolutionary is not just their speed, but their ability to maneuver during flight. Traditional ballistic missiles travel in a predictable path, can be tracked early by radar, are vulnerable to missile defense systems. Hypersonic glide vehicles like the one used in DFR-T fly at lower altitudes, change direction mid-flight, reduce reaction time for defenders, evade radar and interceptors. This makes DFR-T a serious challenge for even the most advanced missile defense networks in the world. Estimated range and speed. China has not officially released detailed specifications of the DFR-T, but according to defense analysts and open-source intelligence reports, the estimated performance is impressive. Estimated range, between 5,000 and 8,000 kilometers. Estimated speed, between Mach 5 and Mach 10, possibly even higher during certain flight phases. With this range, DFR-17 can strike targets across the Indo-Pacific region, reach distant military bases, threaten high-value assets far from China's borders. The speed of the missile significantly reduces warning time, leaving adversaries with only minutes to respond.